Hey guys, Country Girl Strongheart here. Sounds like I'm trying to lose my voice here. That's what I've been cutting with. Been doing some work on our lane. Kind of got waylaid on the garden stuff, and I'll show you why. It's going to take me a little bit to get down here. Sorry, I don't have very steady hands. At least not today. Looks like the raccoons have been out again. Raccoons and possums. I'll have to come back down here and get some of this picked up. Get what I can. Annoying little critters. And if you're wondering what I'm stumbling on here, you can kind of see the ground uneven here on this road that I'm walking on. Now that I got some shade, maybe I can pull up the camera and walk, hopefully without falling, and show you what I've been working on instead of my garden. There's some cut limbs there. But all of this was starting to grow over the lane a little bit, and there's still some right there that's over a little bit. Get a little closer here. And then, oh, I can't see where I'm trying to point to. Sun's in my face. Yeah, this one's trying to grow over the lane a little bit. It won't be long before it's over. It's not really a bother right now. The reason we try to keep it cut back is when the ice hits, the larger vehicles will get hit by the tree branches. So we try to keep them trimmed back, but it's apparently not as easy as it seems. We are going to get some better cutters, but as you saw earlier, as to what I was using, so this is all I was really able to do for right now. I do have a little hand saw that, I didn't pull this one off, that I use as well, but the handle is broke. So, it's hard to use. And it also needs to be sharpened, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace that. Yeah, I've still got a lot more, excuse me, a lot more cutting to do. But some of these little saplings are going to come out completely. I just haven't figured out how, since I can't get up in there. I'm thinking about getting either a long-handled handsaw or getting a small chainsaw. I haven't decided which yet, because they're both going to cost. So I may just spend just a little bit more extra and go ahead with the chainsaw. I generally myself don't really like using anything that is motorized, but I don't have a problem doing it if I have to. So, yeah. It'll make it a lot easier. And I'm going to need it later on anyway, so I'll probably go ahead and go that route. Some of these trees are already pretty good and tall. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. I still haven't gotten... Where's it at here? There it is. One tree over. I knew I was close. I still hadn't gotten the rose bush out yet, though. Whatever's jumping around in the brush. Maybe a rabbit or something. Maybe squirrel. But I do plan on getting this cleaned up and everything pushed back from the road pretty good. And see what I can do from there. I'm afraid by the time I get to it, it's going to be too late for me to deal with the garden. But I'm still going to go ahead with the... something just jumped. I'm still going to go ahead and get it set up and everything. And that way come spring, it's ready to go. And all I got to do is fill it in and get the plants in, and or the seeds. Probably going to do the seed starts. Other than that, I hadn't been up to much of nothing. Cleaning house, working on the house, relaxing, enjoying family time when I can. And that's about it. So we will see you guys later. Enjoy this beautiful day. Stay safe. And have fun.